I woke up one day and I checked my account statement and I found out I only had 230 pounds in my account. I was broke. And I was in the UK studying for my master's degree in Northampton. What did I do? Do you want to know what I did? Then stay tuned.
You know the way I do it when I drop lyrical. Anytime I spit lyrical, philosophical. All the niggas mimical, but this fair still won't take it literal. Punchlines collateral. Maximum damage.
Hello, guys. How on a day? How are you all doing? Are you having a good day? How was your Tuesday going? Did you go to work today? Or are you on leave? What have you been doing? Leave it down in the comment below. So like I was saying, I woke up one day and I decided to go through my bank statement because my bank always sends me a monthly statement. And I went through my statement and I found out I only had 230 pounds to my name. I was flat out broke. I couldn't even believe it because I was in the UK studying for my master's degree in Northampton. What was I going to do? Now, this was money that had been saved for my cost of living after paying the tuition fee. So what was I going to do? How was I going to buy food? How was I going to pay for my trips to town? Even when I wanted to go clubbing, how was I going to pay for drinks, pay for the cab? Just regular expenses. What was I going to do? And before I realized that I was broke, I'd already started working in a warehouse. I'd worked in a warehouse, TNT, and also worked in a food factory in Corby. Was running these two jobs concurrently, but it was too stressful. I just couldn't work for two companies in one day and still meet up with my schedule of doing my homework, going for my lessons, my classes. So I had to find another way. I have another video which is going to pop up somewhere up there where I tell you what you can do if you want to study in the UK or any country in the world for free. Okay? Back then I was a novice. I didn't know about different systems or ways that you could make money, but now I know better. So if you're interested in knowing how to solve your financial problems, whether it's to get your account saved up to get a visa, or save up or get enough resources to pay your tuition fees, or maybe you're after your cost of living, I have a video up there that's going to sort you out. Okay, I'm good like that, guys. I'm good like this. Okay, so what did I do? I had to go job hunting. So I met up with my close friend then. He's still my close friend now, and we talked about it, and he also was looking for a job. He's Nigerian, but we made a mistake. We're going job hunting, and we told other Nigerians like us that we're going job hunting. So 7 to 8 able-bodied men jumped into a cab and went to one company to look for a job. Suffice to say, none of us got the job because the clerk who attended to us was a white person, and he felt so threatened, he was so scared for his life that he had to lie to us that the job was filled. So I had to find another way. I now use my network. I use my people in my circle who were not from Nigeria, and I started asking questions. What do you do? What company do you work for? Do you work? Is your company looking for another person to fill such and such position? And eventually I found a friend, or a friend found me. Tessa. I must have mentioned something about Tessa in one of my other videos. So Tessa is she's a black girl, English, but she's originally from Ghana. So Tessa was the one who recommended me to an insurance company. Before I got the insurance company, I'd had temporary positions in different companies doing data entry work. So I'd worked in this kind of job maybe 1 month here, a month and a half there, but Tessa was the one that put me on. So Tessa recommended me to a company that hired me on a full-time basis, guys. I have to say this, it wasn't part-time, and I was studying. So in one of my other videos, I told you that it depends on what you want. Do you want to go to the UK to study and get that degree and go home? When I was going to the UK, I wanted to gain that work experience and that exposure. the certification came second. Okay, so I got this job, and back then my visa let me work 40 hours a week. Okay, so that, I think that equates to 8-hour days. So I got this job, and I was earning 1,600 to 1,700 pounds a month. That was very good. So that was how my financial problems were solved. Okay, now let me just put this in there. I ran out of money, or I got broke in the UK because I wasn't managing my finances well. I was living a very extravagant lifestyle. I was shopping too much. I was clubbing too much. I was buying drinks for all my friends. I was just living, the kind of life I was living wasn't really structured. Okay, it took me to the point where I was broke. That's when I had to start putting my affairs in order. Okay, I now started calculating, writing my expense sheet, putting my expenses on a scale of preference, writing a list of what I was going to buy, which is the most important, which is not so important. Okay, so you need to do stuff like this, particularly if you're traveling to go study in the UK, in Canada, in America, in Australia on a budget. You need to put what you need the most first, and the rest come down. Then you keep ticking the list as you go on, purchasing things you need that are very, very important. Okay, so this was how I was able to survive and thrive in the United Kingdom, even though I'd run out of money. So if you have any questions, guys, any question on how to live in the UK, maybe you have a landlord who is giving you trouble. I also had a landlord who was almost a nightmare. Started very sweet and very polite, very nice, but it degenerated into something horrible. Just leave me a comment down below in the comment section, or follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is @FuseChronicles. Ask me whatever you want, and I'll always respond. I always respond to every comment and every question. Okay, so guys, I want you and you and you to be good. Be safe out there. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button below. Give this video a thumbs up. Turn on that notification bell so whenever we drop a video, you're notified. Show the YouTube algorithm that the videos we're making are very, very valuable, and they've been helpful to you, so that it can be helpful to someone else somewhere around the world. Okay, so I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye for now.